Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. As always, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another video. In the previous videos, we were checking out a software called DeepBrain AI. This is a software used to create videos. You can do that a bunch of different ways. You can do it with a prompt, you can do that with a URL, you can upload files, and then the software can create the videos for you. You can pick out from a bunch of different assets inside of the library of the software. You can pick out from a bunch of different avatars, audio, music, images, videos, and so on, for you to have specifically a kind of video that you want to create. If you haven't checked out the previous videos that we have made about this software, I really invite you to go to the channel and check them out so you can get up to speed on how this software works. Today we're going to be making the last tutorial regarding this software. In the previous ones, we were creating scripts using the prompts and we were doing a bunch of different things. But on this one, we're going to create our own avatar using the custom avatar tool that the software has. And with this, we are done with DeepBrain AI and we're moving on to another software. So I really invite you to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out the videos that we're going to be creating from now on as well. As always, I'm going to turn my camera off so you can see my screen a bit better, and I'll see you guys in the end. So these are some of the projects that we have created in the past. Once again, if you haven't checked them out, they are all uploaded on the channel. These are some of the tools that you can use to create videos using DeepBrain. You can dub videos if you want them to be in different languages. You can import files. You can record your screen. You can use URLs to create videos. You can create a series of videos in just one go. But on this video, we're going to go to this option right here that says custom avatar. Right here, we have a little tutorial in the software that tells us how to create our custom avatar. If we click right here on create avatar, we are taken to this screen right now where we can record our screen, but we can also upload a file, a video file that you have already created for you to use in the software. I'm going to show you how to do it with your webcam, since it is the easiest and fastest way. If you click right here on start recording, there's going to be a text for you to read. Travel destinations and vacations planning tips. Now, when it comes to choosing a travel destination, the options are endless. From the serene beaches of Bali to the bustling streets of Seoul, there's something for everyone. Let us know in the comments below. Speaking of beaches, have you ever wondered which beach is the best in the world? Is it the pristine shores of the Maldives or the stunning coastline of Greece? The debate is on. Share your favorite beach destinations and let's see if we can settle this once and for all. Once we're done, we just click on finish recording. We can name our avatar any way that we want it. I'm gonna name it Santiago. We can check all of these ticks if they match the video that we just recorded. Right here, you can just sign with your name and you can confirm your video. Then it's going to take a couple of minutes to upload our video to the software. Right now, this is the avatar that the software created. We are taking to the editor part of the software. As I've showed you on previous videos, in this part of the editor, you can pick out from a bunch of different models inside of the software. This is the one that we've just recorded, so it is named custom. In the right here is the part where we can input our scripts. You can write it yourself or you can use the AI script assistant on the bottom. You can write a topic that you're interested on and the software is then going to create a script out of it. A really simple topic, how to ride a bicycle. And if I click on generate, the software is going to generate a script out of that topic. This is the script that the software created. If I click on apply, is going to be added to this specific scene. We can preview it if we click the play button right here.
Welcome to our guide on how to ride a bicycle. Riding a bike is not just fun. It's a great way to stay active and explore your surroundings. First, make sure you're...
As you see, the software does an incredible job at cloning my voice. It is speaking the script that I've just created. Right now, it is not going to move. I'm just going to create a new scene using the same avatar, but I'm going to divide the script to have one part on this scene and one part on the other. And then I'm going to create a third scene and I'm going to ask the AI to explain types of bicycles for me to have a similar subject in scene number 3. I can edit the script any way that I want. Right now, it is a bit long. So once again, I'm going to divide it into 2 different scenes, and I'm going to add a 5th scene, and I'm going to ask the software to tell me which kinds of protection I need to wear on a bicycle, and I can apply it to scene 5. If I go to media right here, I can change the way in which the scenes look. For example, if I were to add a video about bicycles, I'm just looking in the library. If I select, for example, this video, it is going to be the video that appears on scene 5, but I just want to bring it to the front so it is shown while I speak. And you can do that with a bunch of different stuff. You can search for a bunch of different images and videos inside of the library of DeepBrain AI. You can change the audio if you want music to be playing during your video. For example, this one, or this other one. Right here, you can select if you want to apply it to all scenes, to a single scene, or if you want to trim it. I'm going to apply it to all the scenes. With these 3 dots at the bottom, you can edit transitions between scenes. You can move them from right to left. You can duplicate them, or you can delete them. You can add text if you want to emphasize something that is happening on a specific scene. Once everything's looking like you want it to, you can just click on export on the top right here. Right now, our final video is going to be 2 minutes and 19 seconds long. You can select the language in which the video is being spoken. It is only English, so I'm just gonna leave it as such. And you can select the video quality of the final video as well. And if you click on export, the software is then going to take a couple of minutes to process your video, and you can see the exact percentage of the project right here. And after a couple of minutes, the software has already created the video. You can click this option, the edit option, if you want to go back to the editor, or you can view the video.
Welcome to our guide on how to ride a bicycle. Riding a bike is not just fun, it's a great way to stay active and explore your surroundings. First, make sure your bike is the right size for you. Adjust the seat so you can touch the ground with your toes. Start by practicing balance. Push off with your feet and glide for a few seconds. Once you feel steady, place your feet on the pedals. Start pedaling slowly, looking ahead. Remember to steer gently and keep your body relaxed. Finally, practice stopping by gently squeezing the brakes. With time, you'll gain confidence and enjoy the ride. Thanks for joining us. Now get out there and start pedaling. Whether you're a casual rider or a cycling enthusiast, there's a bike for everyone. First up, we have road bikes. These are designed for speed and efficiency on paved surfaces. Their lightweight frames and thin tires make them perfect for long-distance rides. Next, let's talk about mountain bikes. Built for rugged terrain, they feature wider tires and sturdy frames to handle rough trails. Don't forget about hybrid bikes, which combine features of road and mountain bikes for versatility. They're great for commuting or leisurely rides. Lastly, we have electric bikes, which provide a boost to your pedaling. They're perfect for those who want a little extra help on their rides. Thanks for joining us. Choose the right bike and enjoy your ride. When cycling, safety should always come first. Wearing a helmet is essential as it protects your head in case of falls. Additionally, consider wearing knee and elbow pads to safeguard your joints. Reflective clothing can enhance visibility, especially during low light conditions. Don't forget to wear closed-toe shoes for better grip and support. Investing in the right protective gear can make your rides safer and more enjoyable. Stay safe and happy cycling.
As you see, the software creates the video in just a couple of minutes. In this screen right here, you can get a link for you to share your video. You can download it locally to your computer. You can change the language in which the video is spoken. You can dub it. You can leave comments, or you can promote it for it to reach a bigger audience as well. As you see, creating a video using your face in DeepBrain AI is as easy as that. You can create your custom avatar with a little short introduction video of yourself. Once again, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you saw this tutorial. As you see, creating videos using DeepBrain AI is really easy and intuitive. This is the last video that we're going to be making about this software. If you haven't checked out the previous ones, once again, I really invite you to go to the channel and check them out, and for you to subscribe so you don't miss out the videos that we're going to be uploading from now on as well. Thank you for watching, and without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.